What's up, y'all? So, welcome and welcome back to another video. I need to take these glasses off. But, anyways, I don't ever pick up this camera. So sorry, y'all. I be trying to pick up this camera when I'm in the kitchen doing something or whatever. Excuse the hair and the outfit. This is just unpacking day. We're still unpacking. This is our second week in the house. And we're just still unpacking, honey. So that's what I've been doing all day. Hence, the hair is a mess and I have no clothes on. So right now it is 9 p.m. It's about to be 9 p.m. and I am about to cook some dinner. I don't know what I'm about to fix, but I'm about to find some in this fridge. So let's see. Turn y'all around. Let's see what we can find. Something not quick, but not something that's gonna take all night, because I don't have time. Turn y'all around. Don't judge the refrigerator if it's nasty. It ain't nasty. We got some pretty clean in here. So I was thinking this is what I was thinking. Some broccoli, stir fry, and shrimp. I think that's what I'm gonna cook. And I could add some cauliflower rice and make it a shrimp fried rice. But I don't think I want to do all that. But we'll see. I do got one pack of cauliflower rice left. So we already got broccoli made. And I was also thinking about a baked potato for us with shrimp. I think that'll be good, and it'll probably be quicker. No, it won't. It'll be longer. So we're gonna go with the broccoli stir fry with shrimp. And so in the stir fry is carrots, cauliflower, sugar snaps, peas, white corn, mushrooms, water, chestnuts, and red pepper. My fiance love when I make this stuff, so I think that's what we're gonna do. And yeah, so what y'all been up to? Cause I have been working. And I can't believe I got on this camera with my head looking like this. Don't judge. Don't judge. Alright, so I'm finna get out my walk. My walk. It's so easy. Too much noise. Alright. That's what we cooking on. I need to look at, I got my other phone. I need to look at one of my favorite videos on YouTube, and that I get my taste off of. That's how I made it so good. I kind of copied somebody off YouTube. That's what I'm about to do. Can you get copyright for watching a YouTube video? I don't think so. Can you? I don't know. Let's see. Somebody can answer this. Let's see. Shrimp stir fry. Stir fry shrimp. Stir fry shrimp. We're just doing stir fry shrimp. We're not gonna do the color level. And this meal actually is keto friendly. But anybody who is doing keto. Oh, it looks so good. I'm all off track, y'all. Anyways, I'll be back once I get started cooking. Gotta watch my video. Alright, y'all. So I looked at my video real quick, and now I am going to peel my shrimp because they are now thawed out. It doesn't take them that long to thaw out if they were in the freezer. So I have about 20 shrimp in here, so that should be enough for me and my family. They are already deveined, and they are the jumbo shrimp. And I just have to take the shell off of them, and then I'll be ready to cook my stir fry, and I will be back and show you guys once I start cooking my stir fry. Alright, y'all, so we are going in my pantry. Don't judge it. We just moved in, so I'm still trying to organize everything. So I have to buy organizers, containers to actually organize. So what we're looking for is my olive oil. And there we have it. Alright. So this is the olive oil I'm using from Kroger's. Extra virgin olive oil. So yeah. And we're going to season our shrimp first. So these are the 19 shrimp that we have. I'm thinking about cutting them up. I think I might do that. So I'm gonna come over here. These are all my clean dishes, and I like for them to sit up there and dry out. So I'm going to, because I'm holding the camera, I'm just gonna use one hand. Shouldn't be too hard. Or it is. Yeah, I don't know. Alright, so I'm gonna cut the shrimp up, and it'll be a little more in each one of our plates. I think I'm gonna have to sit this down though. Don't ask me why I don't have my tripod. Okay, yeah, I'll come back when I get y'all sitting down. Okay, so again, right now I am cutting up the shrimp so we can have a little more in our plate, each of our plates. So yeah, and then I'm going to season them, and I'll show you guys what I season with. Let's see, I got some shells. That's a no-no. Can't get all the shells the first time around. Sometimes it happens. It's fine. Everything is fine. Right. I think I am done. Alright, so one more. Yeah, so I'm done. So now I'm about to show you guys what I am going to season my shrimp with. And I hope the light is not very bad. Sorry if it is. So we're going to use, of course, Old Bay. Old Faithful Bay. We're going to use ground black pepper. We're going to use garlic powder, onion powder, and don't forget that Lawry's. Everybody know about that Lawry, especially if you're in a black family. And I'm going to put a little red pepper in there for a kick. And then we're going to do the crushed red peppers for the extra kick. So that's what I'm about to season it with. And I'll come back when I start to stir fry. Alright, y'all. So I'm going to start my stir fry. This is a new stove. Well, it's not a brand new stove, but it's a new stove for me because it was already here when we moved in. So I don't really like it, but we're going to have to work with what we got. So I'm going to, hold on, I'm looking for my knife. I know I just had one. Alright, so what we're going to do first is we're going to want, and excuse all the cups. Like I said, I just washed the dishes and I like for my cups to drain out. If y'all heard some bumping, that's somebody upstairs. I'm not sure who. My fiance or my daughter up there making noise. Alright, so we got our oil in there. We're going to let that heat up. And then we're going to add our garlic and our ginger. So it's going to be our ginger. And we're going to add some garlic. Even though I seasoned my, that olive oil. I don't know how many people like olive oil. The smell of it. I don't. I mean, I like to cook with it, but I just don't like the smell of it. So we're going to add our garlic. And I'm going to do about that much. I don't have particular measurements. I just cook how I feel. I'm not going to add a lot of ginger because ginger is very cold. And yeah, it just is. I'm going to turn this down. We got hot quick. And right now, it's popping, but it's fine. I'm used to it popping. Let me take it out the ash. It's really popping. Okay, calm down. It got hot quick. Like I said, I'm just learning this eye. So let me set it over here for a second. Just so it can cool down. I don't want my garlic and ginger to burn up. So now, while that's cooking, kind of on medium heat, I'm going to add my stir fry. And my stir fry came from Kroger, if I'm not mistaken, and if not, it came from Walmart. I'm just going to add it in. And it's frozen. It's not going to take long for it to thaw out. No. I might want to turn it back up now. There's the frozen veggies right in here. And again, I'm not a professional cook. I just cook how I feel. And yeah. So I might be doing some stuff that you will probably never do because it's not the correct, oops, it's not the correct way. like me trying to, and let me turn this up, like me trying to cook these frozen veggies. And I'm gonna put some more olive oil in here, y'all. And I do know how to cook. I feed my family every day. But, you know, everybody cooks differently. I kind of wish I had pulled the vegetables stir fry out. But anywho, I am going to put more olive oil in here and kick it up a notch just so it can cook a little faster. And I may add some more garlic a little later. But it is cooking. And yeah. So I'll be back when I get it down to cooking and I add my shrimp. Alright, y'all. So I'm back and I cooked it down to where it's not a frozen clump anymore. So it's cooking fairly good now. And I'm gonna go in and put some seasonings in it. Give me 1 second. I'm going to use, sorry about that. I'm gonna use more pepper. It smells so good, y'all. I wish y'all can smell it. I'm gonna use some pepper. We're gonna use some Lorry. And again, this is just the way I cook it. Everybody's different. And I'll go in with some onion powder. I'm going to chill on the garlic powder because I have garlic in here already. So we're going to chill on the garlic powder. And I'm going to go in with some fresh red peppers. Just to give it some more kick. Alright, and now let me mix it, and then we're going to add the soy sauce, and then, yes, we're using soy sauce. It what makes it so good. And then mix this seasoning up. And y'all can see it has a bit of water in it, and it's from the frozen veggies. So if you were making a rice stir fry or a cauliflower rice stir fry, I would suggest to get rid of that water. But since it's not a rice stir fry, I wouldn't too much worry about the water. And here you can tell it's like going away anyway the more I cook it. So it's cooking pretty fast now, so I'm going to cut it down because I don't need it to overcook my veggies. I like a little crunch to them. I like them done, but I like crunch. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go in. I said I was going to do my shrimp, but I'm going to do the soy sauce first. And that'll tame it a little bit more. So I'm going to go there. Not too much, but just enough. And see how it calmed down once I put this soy sauce on top of it. You don't want too much soy sauce, but you want enough to give you that taste. Alright, and so that's going to cook, and I'm going to add my shrimp. Alright, so like I said, these are the shrimp. I did cut them up. I don't know if it's doing any justice on the camera, but they look so good. So I'm going to add those. And I'm just going to cook them until they turn pink. And it usually takes about 1 or 2 minutes, depending on how high your stove is. So right now mine is pretty low. So I'm going to cut it up a little bit just to go ahead and cook the shrimp. And we will be done after that. And then I'll come back and show you guys the end results once I plate it. Alright?